Hello guys, Market Watch again here. Um, First thing first, I would like to answer a couple of questions. I realize that it's much faster for you guys to take a look on a screenshot with the description on a screenshot, but I'm experimenting with the video right now. I'm gonna record only the stocks. I want to say something more about it. It will be too much writing on the screen. Um, uh, so that's the case. Also, I'm planning to record this series of videos with the instruction for the newbies, just from the beginning, most basic stuff, trend lines, basic patterns, learn to recognize them for someone to let someone who's completely newbie, don't know anything about the stock market, to be able to get into technical analysis and try to get more experience. All right, let's get to the point. Overall look at the markets. We have SP 500 here. We have upward channel here. This is daily chart. In the upward channel, we have this downward channel here. There's interesting trend line here on the stochastic. I put this trend line a couple days ago here based on this turning point and this turning point in stochastic. So as you see, this trend line on stochastic became a resistance. So you see right here stochastic turn. I'm expecting downward. Rather, it's a pressure toward downward. When you look on 1 hour chart, you see I paint here these 3 points here is slanted in the inverted head and shoulders pattern, which is bullish, but I'm not sure if it's gonna play it out. As you see, the 1 hour stochastic is over both, so I'm expecting. And also this red line is this is the very long trend line coming from this chart here. This is basically coming from 2013. All right, so it also may play a role here. So this is the important point. We are here on the important levels. If it's gonna breaks, we may see some upward move. If market opens weak, we may see the downward move. Okay, what else? What else, guys? I want to show you one stock today, which is it's Banco Bradesco. It's a Brazilian stock. Right now it's cheap. I'm trying to buy anything between $20 and $40 per share. But this one is my favorite one. I trade this one for years and years, and probably 5 years. So I'm pretty familiar with the patterns. And as you see on the 5-year chart, chart, you have this downward channel, and we are right now on the bottom of this channel. And on the 5-year, we have oversold stochastic. When we go on the daily, you see there is also the downward channel here, and it looks like this trend line play a role. Also, it looks like a double bottom here. So I think it has a lot of potential. Also, as you see, the Bollinger Bands are pretty bullish. This is a great example of the squeeze of Bollinger Bands. If you go, if the Bollinger Bands goes like this, it is a usually bullish sign. So when we go a little bit closer, you see we have a breakout from this little trend line on the closer chart. So we are, as long as we are above of this trend line, it looks terrific. And I have about 200 shares of this one. So I would say this is stock which has a lot of potential. As you see, also the volume is over the average. All right, so I hope you enjoy it. I kept my promise, trying to record at least one video daily, and of course, follow me on Twitter. You will get many more screenshots over the day period. All right, take care.